Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Face ID not working or Face ID are not available in your iPhone or iPad. If you're using any iPhone or iPad and you're having any issue with your Face ID, that your Face ID is not working, so let's see how can you fix it. So the very first, you just have to make sure that you have cleaned this interface area of your Face ID or your front camera. So you just have to clean this first, and after that you just have to open the settings here. Then go for general settings, go for software update, and you have to make sure that you haven't enabled beta updates from here. If you have enabled beta updates, you have to try to disable that first, and after that try to make an official update on your iPhone. And once you have updated your iPhone to the latest iOS version, your issue will be almost fixed. Or if this doesn't work for you, so you can also go for screen time and go for continue privacy restrictions and disable all the restrictions from here. And after that you just have to go back, and if you're still having the same issue, so you just have to make a force restart with your iPhone. Not so that you have to quickly press the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button, wait for your phone until its screen goes black. So let's try this. You have to quickly press the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, you have to release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. And once your phone has been restarted, it will almost fix your issue. So just wait for your phone until it restarts. And after restarting, you just have to unlock your device first. And after that, you have to open your settings here and go for Face ID and check if your Face ID is working or not. If it's still not working, you have to open the settings here, go for general, go for transfer reset iPhone, select reset all settings, then verify yourself using your Face ID or your passcode or your Apple ID password, and then select or continue the process. It will reset all of your device settings. It will not delete your data, so you can easily try this, and after that your issue will be fixed. So that's how you can easily fix if your Face ID is not working on your iPhone or iPad. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.